do a dead bug. So what I want you to do is I want you to lay down flat. Make sure that your back is nice and flat. So to start out with the progressions, we're going to do the easiest first, and that's just heel taps. So we're going to tap each side, and we're going to make sure our back is nice and flat. Good. So now we're going to go into a little bit harder, and we're going to add our arms. So opposite arm, opposite heel tap. Keeping that back nice and flat, the back comes up. Then you need to go back to stage one. Good. So if you're able to do that without your back coming up, let's push on to the harder one, which is a full-on dead bug. And you're going to straighten your leg out and then bring it up. Straighten it out, bring it out. Keeping the core nice and tight, exhaling on the extension. Making sure that your upper traps are not active and you're not pulling your shoulders into your ears. And your legs are going straight out. So that's a dead bug progression. You start with step 1, step 2, step 3 is a full-on dead bug. Thanks for watching.